Many years ago, we started evaluating Kentik, and it not only supplied that one pane of glass with a better picture, but it also lays it out, and it's cloud-based, so whenever you guys have an update, it's automatically there for us. We don't have to tear a server down, build it back up. You can deploy cloud agents remotely and then just do simple metric testing. So if a customer calls in, they say, we have really slow speeds to X, we can deploy an agent close to that, monitor those metrics, say, yes, we're seeing latency, we'll reach out to anyone we can, we'll try to open a ticket. They're very interested in having the metrics there and the proof. Being that it is cloud-based, anyone can log in there. We can give any of our CSRs access to it, any of our sales or marketing people access to it, our technicians in the field. They can pose simple human-based questions and it'll go in and find all the data for it. There's a report in there for peering opportunities and caching opportunities, local caching. And so we utilize that to prove our weight and customer base for Netflix and getting a Netflix cache and Google getting a Google cache. One report, 2 clicks away, super easy, and it lays it out and says, hey, you probably qualify for this cache, or you should look at doing this cache. And so having that, because we are landlocked into central Arkansas, there's not many upstream providers. Utilizing local caching to offer better QoE for our customers is pretty key. Not having Kentik or a platform in general to see is unacceptable. You have to be able to look at the bits going on the wire. You have to be able to see what they are, where they're going, plan for the future. And without Kentik, you'd have to find 3 or 4 other platforms to facilitate that. And then it would go back to the swivel chair, get what you pay for kind of thing. And you have multiple panes open up, looking at this one, because this tool brings this depth, this tool brings this depth, but Kentik wraps it all up together.